Hey babes, welcome to the Leokissez channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and stay tuned for this transformation. So I'm already lit, as you can see. It was my husband's birthday. We decided to go out and have like a game night. And we just kind of sipped at the house, chilled, and had some music playing while I was getting ready. So I'm going to be dancing a lot through this video. Just pay me no mind. So my hair is freshly washed. And my nose is so stuffy. It's allergies on top of a cold. It's just so much going on with this sinus area. So please excuse me if you hear me sniffing. So this is the Afri hair that I purchased from the hair store. It was $8. First time I've ever used this hair. First time I've ever saw this hair. And I thought I'm going to do a jumbo braid. So that's what I did. Or that's what I'm doing. I'm applying this aloe vera gel that I purchased from Wal-Mart. I really like aloe vera gel. You know, it's good for like your whole entire body and everything. But I actually found some ingredients in this gel that I didn't like, so I'm not going to be purchasing it again. And at this time, I'm adding my tea tree oil because I like to just kind of put like some type of oil grease. I know a lot of us have gotten away from grease, and, you know, but I haven't. I still use grease. And this is the Ampro Style Gel that I'm going to be using to sleek my ponytail. I'm actually going to be using several products to kind of keep my hair in check because she get disrespectful sometimes. She frizzes up. She wants to fall down. So I have to check her. I had to check her for tonight. For that night. Excuse me. And you can see I'm applying this huge headband to put my hair in this nice sleek ponytail. That's about the only way I can get it to stay. Those little bands, they pop. It's not going to happen. So, yeah. So I'm doing a little DIY drawstring ponytail here. And if you old as I am, you already know about this. Or maybe your mama done showed you. You know what I'm saying? Like, just simple. Comment down below if you need me to show you how to do it, but it's not that big of a deal. And I'm just going to break this hair, and I'm going to actually put a little rubber band on the end of it, and you know, try to have it a little curly, but it turned out a hot mess. You'll see it later. And I'm just gonna wrap this around here. I had to take this ponytail down and redo it like twice. But yeah, I'm just spreading my braid because I want it to be thick and kind of messy. And you see I got the got to be. I know ladies use this for their lace fronts, but it really helps with the frizz. Like if I sleek my hair up, I have frizz, you know, and it just helps with that. So but I always put like a grease or some type of oil on my hair because I have used that got to be. Oh, that's the Murray's. So hold up, pause. Okay, Murray's is a old school pomade like for waves or whatnot. And I supposed to have got my husband some sporting wave at the store, but I didn't see none, so I got the Murray's, and it slays edges. Okay, and this kind of relates to what I was saying before because I always like to have some type of oil or grease or something on my hair before I put a whole bunch of gel or anything that's just going to kind of make it like firm and harden up. I just have to do that because I used the got to be before by itself, and it had my edges flaky, like itchy, nasty looking. My skin is already sensitive, so yeah. But the pomade Murray's, yeah, that's what you want. Try it. And then I put the got to be on top of the the pomade, you know what I'm saying, to kind of like lock the look in. But anyways, so yeah, I just pin down the braid at the back so they don't want me flying everywhere, like if I have to lean down or just not moving all around. And I'm tying my hair up because I included a simple makeup look at the end of this video for you guys. So if you made it this far, you got a treat. So I got these little makeup removers from Walmart. They were on sale, so I just picked them up. I'm not that like bougie or picky when it comes to my makeup. Like, I'm just not. I've been spending my money on like other stuff. I don't know, but Yeah, so this is the LA Colors brow pencil. I got this from the Family Dollar store. All of the makeup products I'm using, you can get them from Family Dollar. Yeah, so that's a blessing. And you can see what I'm doing. Like I said, self-explanatory. This what I'm putting on my face before I apply the primer. Like I said, going back to oiling up, greasing up. Because my whole skin, body, face, scalp, everything is just dry all the time. So that's actually a homemade, it's like coconut oil, shea butter. It just has a whole bunch of natural things in it for your skin. And then I use the primer that I also got from the Family Dollar store. I'm gonna put everything below. And this is not a special brush. This is an e.l.f. brush. Okay. And these are my Modesta brushes, which you can also purchase from Family Dollar. So, yeah, even got the $1 eyeshadow palette. Y'all, it's not a lot of ladies in my area that wear like lots and lots of makeup. I don't even wear lots of makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, but I do. I am known for wearing my eyebrows every day, and I'm going to start wearing eyelashes every day. You know, for the most part, until it's time to give my eyes a rest. So I'm just using like brown, goldish, grayish tones on my eye. I didn't want like anything bright because I don't know, I just didn't. I wanted like a little nice, clean, sleek look. I didn't want to be too extra. So yeah, I just went with something plain. Plus, I love gold eyeshadow. I'm in love with like all kinds of gold eyeshadow. And I would probably really spend some money on some good gold eyeshadow. Like, me and gold, we click. So, yeah. And I'm just adding like a little grayish, you know what I'm saying, at the end to kind of, you know, just give it a look. I don't know terms for makeup. I just put it on. It just look cute, and I keep it moving. I guess it looks cute. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look. You know, was it cute or not? Be honest, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. And we all know about the this Pro Concealer. Amazing. Even though our hair store sells it for $3.99, and I think it's only like $1.99, maybe $2.99, but she done killed it. So I'm doing my contouring and concealing here. That brush, ooh, that was nasty. Sorry, y'all. That brush was given to me for Christmas. I don't know where it came from, but it was just one. And I've seen other brushes like this. So I know all my real MUAs are familiar. And yes, I did just use my finger to contour my nose. But yeah, I'm going to try to put everything in the description box below. And I'm going to tell you about this wing. So it's supposed to be in one line, but when I went back in, I was a little tipsy and I ended up drawing 2 lines. So I didn't want to wipe it off and do it again. I just put 2 lines on the other side and I rocked it. It was cute. It was cute to me. I've seen it before, so it wasn't, you know, nothing crazy. And I hardly like ever put eyeliner under my eye, so I just add a little brown eyeshadow most of the time and call it a day. Now I am just setting. Baking is not for me. I have tried to bake before and I look like a whole white lady, or like a whole black lady that thought she was a white lady. It was a mess. You know, it was a mess. I think I started over. I had to. You called me weird. We was in math class 3rd row. I was sitting by you. Yep. Right before Mr. Ammon's class. So, because my mama couldn't afford new J's Polo, thrift store, thrift clothes. That was all I knew. Do you remember? And I was going to apply some eyelashes, but I didn't have any more eyelash glue. I didn't even have any hair glue. So I just ended up rocking my own lashes. They're pretty lengthy. They're just not as voluminous as I would like them to be, but I rocked them. I didn't even go get any eyelashes after that. It was cool. So I'm just finishing up. I don't put the earrings on and get ready to take off this scarf. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you did. Like, share, all of that good stuff. Subscribe if you hadn't. I have more videos coming for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you, babes. See you next time. Peace.